Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're out here on the pier of whatever lake that is. This is, I can't pronounce half the lake names in Florida. They're all some kind of native name. I can't pronounce them. I'm gonna try, but here it is. Beautiful lake. And that's what we're coming here to watch, is that sunset. Guys out here on jet skis. But we got here about 30 minutes earlier than we needed to, so we decided to walk out here in the pier. It's got a nice breeze. It's not bad at all. Here's another plane. I believe that's Spirit Airlines. But yeah, just enjoying our time out here in Florida before it gets crazy as hell tomorrow at our daughter's competition. It's gonna be hectic as shit. I don't know what time we actually have to be there. I just know she competes at like 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon or tomorrow evening. And then if she makes it through to the final round, they compete on Sunday, so fingers crossed. Y'all wishing the best of luck. So what's up, everyone? This is your boy RC at 420, and right now we're out in St. Cloud, Florida, and we're out here for this trip that I've got planned that the wife doesn't know about, and we're going on a sunset cruise around this lake out here. So we're gonna go on a nice little romantic cruise. Don't have any of the kids with us right now. Our oldest is required to stay with her team near the ESPN studios for her competition that starts tomorrow. Plus she's got practice and shit right now. They're practicing all day apparently. But yeah, we're gonna be out here for this sunset cruise. So until then. So ladies and gentlemen, there's our boat. The wife, you just found out what we're doing. We're out here on this boat and take a nice tour of the sunset on the lake. Out here on the sunset cruise. Giggity giggity goo. And off we go. This breeze feels amazing. Really, guys. Got some alcohol right there. Some Coca-Cola. Oh, there's some holes like right away. Giggity. Go.
I'm not able to do this. It drove me nuts. But so we're gonna do two toots real quick. All right, guys, ready?